Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an organizing video, so I'm going to be decluttering but also organizing my space so it looks more aesthetically pleasing. So make sure to give this video a like if you enjoy while you're watching, and comment down below and subscribe to my channel before you leave. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'll just give you a little bit of a tour. Here's my KitchenAid box. And then in this container here, I have all my materials to protect the floor. I have a tarp here, some fabric spray. I need to return this. And then these are going to be a video coming soon. Don't ask. And then here is going to be my container that I use while I'm painting. So my spray bottles, I can use this to mix paint. And then this tool is used for opening paint cans. And then here is my art I use for staging. I have a couple pieces there. And then next shelf, I have bowls for mixing and pouring ingredients, my color charts, shop towels, etc. Don't even know what's in there right now. I have my lint-free cloths here, and then just some random tools and things that I use every day, and pens as well. And then here I have this box closed because I'm going to keep my microfiber rags in here, and it gets pretty dusty in here sometimes, so I want to keep those nice and clean. And then here I have a container to use for when I'm rolling paint or primer. Here I have all of my paint brushes and gloves to use while I'm painting or staining as well. And then here we have all of my sanding materials, hand sanding materials. So I have my sanding blocks, and then I have different grits of sandpaper, and then tape for taping things off, random screws and rubber bands, lots and lots of hardware, and then drill bits for my drill. Next shelf. These are staging items, so I have books here for stacking. This hardware is for a video coming soon. Then I have a throw blanket there, just some random decor, a lamp back there, and then faux plants and candles and a clock. And then last shelf, I have my orbital sander here. I have some vintage suitcases that I use for staging. And then back there I have the box for my electric drill. I have this for water. I use this for cleaning, my cleaning solution, Dixie Belle White Lightning, and then some gloves that I can reuse. And then I have random drawers from a previous project that I didn't keep. I have no idea why I'm keeping those. I don't know what to do with them. And then we have some plastic bags for trash, and then some boards for staging as well. And then this is the stuff that I won't be keeping in here. So all of the paint I'm going to be keeping in my apartment. There's going to be a cold spell in my area the next week, so I don't want any of it freezing. And then these containers I didn't end up using. And then over here we have recycling, and then 2 bags of trash. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. And if you want to see some funny bloopers, make sure to stay to the end. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.